Once there was a rainbow trout named Randy. He lived in a stream in Oregon with tons of happy, healthy wildlife. One day, an angler came to the stream to catch some fish. He was from California, where there were tons of places to go fishing.
His boots were muddy from his last fishing trip, where he visited a lake infected by whirling disease. He waded in the stream, catching fish left and right, but he was unaware of what was happening in the water below.
From the mud on his boots, microscopic reproductive cells called spores floated away in the water. Soon, one came across some worms dwelling at the bottom of the stream.
Little did the spore know, the worms, called tubifex, wanted to eat it.
And though it was scared, it would soon be grateful because while inside the worm, the spore would have a transformation that is necessary for its survival. The cell changes from a single spore to a triactinomyxin, or TAM, and is then released from the worms back into the water. Nearby, Randy is enjoying his life as a happy, healthy fish, while the TAM creeps underneath his scales.
The parasite spread to his nervous system and into his brain, where it ate away at his brain cartilage.
Soon, Randy didn't feel so good and noticed some changes to his appearance. His head had become deformed, his tail blackened, and he began swimming in a world fashion.
He became more susceptible to predators. He escaped death many times. That's until one day the fisherman was back and caught Randy.
Though the fisherman was disappointed to see the lake had been infected with whirling disease, he knew the fish were still okay to eat and took them home to fry.